In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new account in the chart of accounts, a vital part of managing your business finances effectively. Let's dive in and explore each step to ensure you have a clear understanding of the process. To begin, we need to navigate to the chart of accounts. This is often found in the accounting section of your financial software or application. Think of the chart of accounts as the backbone of your financial system, providing organization and structure to how you categorize money coming in and going out. Once you're in the accounting section, you'll want to select the chart of accounts. This is where you'll be able to view all existing accounts and have the ability to add new ones that suit your business needs. Now let's move on to creating a new account. Look for the option that allows you to add or create a new account. In some systems, this might simply be labeled as new. Clicking on this will take you to a form where you can enter the details of your new account. The first thing you usually need to decide is the account type. Account types are broad classifications that help you organize financial transactions. Common types include assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. Each of these plays a different role in your financial reporting, so selecting the right one is crucial for accurate tracking. Once you've chosen the account type, the next thing on the list is the account detail. The account detail provides a more specific identification of what the account will be used for. For instance, under the expense account type, you might find details such as office supplies or marketing expenses. The detail helps boil down the account type into a specific purpose, aiding in precise financial tracking and reporting. After selecting the account type and detail, it's time to give your account a name. This is an important step, as the account name should be something easily recognizable and meaningful so that it's clear to anyone reviewing your financial documents what transactions belong to this account. Try to be as descriptive and specific as possible to avoid any confusion down the road. Once you've filled out the account type, detail, and name, it's time to categorize. Category helps further refine how the account is managed and reported in the system. It's an additional layer of organization that can be useful for generating detailed financial reports. Finally, after you've input all this information, be sure to save your new account. Saving ensures that your new account is recorded and ready to be used in your financial tracking going forward. Saving your work is crucial to avoid having to redo the steps and ensures that your new categories will appear when you are entering transactions. By following these steps carefully, you will have successfully added a new account to your chart of accounts, helping streamline your financial processes and improve the accuracy of your financial reporting. Consider reviewing these steps periodically, as refreshing your memory can help in maintaining flawless accounting practices. Thank you for watching, and happy accounting.